Bonjour les filles. Okay, so I just wanted to make you guys a little video about the Paris project. So you guys can do this individually, or you can be in a group of 3, or you can be in a group of 2 and 1. I don't really mind. I don't care who you work with. If you have a friend in our class who would like to present with you online style, that's fine with me. Okay, but probably only one person, because I want most of the people who are not online to be actually presenting in class. Okay, so you guys are going to pick one district of Paris. They call them arrondissements, and you guys are basically like tour guides. So this is what you missed the last 5 minutes of class today, because my Google Meet was not working. So I just wanted to explain it to you. You're going to be presenting in English, and you guys will do this online. Like, you're not going to be presenting in front of the whole class. This is just going to be a recorded video that you send to me, because I don't think it always makes sense to have you guys, if you want to present in front of the whole class on a Google Meet, that'd be fine, but I don't think it would work, actually. So, plus I really don't think any of you are going to want to do that. So, if you're dying to present in front of the entire class, let me know, but I'm pretty sure you don't want to. So, you will make a screencast, which is what I'm doing now. Let me know if you need help with that. If you choose to work all 3 together, or if Hope and Jane work together, Kayla, if you want to work with Mackenzie, for example, I know she's in our class, you guys talk, that could work too. What you guys will do, or Kayla, maybe you want to work with Hope, Jane wants to be it by herself, whatever, I really don't mind who you work with. You'll make a screencast just like I am now, and you're going to, if you're working with each other, you guys all need to be present on a Google Meet that you set up for the screencast. So you're going to pick one arrondissement. In the arrondissement, here's an example. There's 20 of them. So I just sent you this list, and 1 through 20, each district has like a few different things in the district that are cool to see. So if you think any of these sound interesting, let me know. If you're all 3 doing these individually and you're not working with a partner, you all 3 need to choose a different district. Okay, but like if Hope is going to work with Alyssa from class, and Jane and Kayla are going to work together, then those need to be 2 different districts. I hope that makes sense. So, if you guys would please email me which of these you're choosing to present. Your presentation I would like to be due Thursday, just because that's when everybody else is due. In class, you can attend that day, so you can kind of watch and listen to other people's presentations. If you're not able to attend that day, just let me know by emailing me, so I can still mark you present. These are the requirements. So you're basically a little tour guide. Tell us what we're going to do first in your district, where we're going to eat, what we're going to do second. I don't want it longer than 5 minutes. You need to do this on Google Slides probably, because you're going to be doing this online. And I would like your presentation or the link to your screencast sent to me this Thursday. Or not this Thursday, next Thursday, May 27th. Okay, so decide please if you want to work individually, if you want to work with a partner. If you want to work with a person from class, you probably need to email them and let them know, but then that person in class cannot work with another person in class. We're only going to do partners, not groups of 3. You guys are my exceptions if you want to work in a group of 3, because you're all 3 online. So I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have questions, and I hope my Google Meet works on Friday. I'll email you again if it's not working. All right, thanks guys. Email me with your choices, please, and who you think you're going to work with. Bye.